Kasa.
Kasa. Flynn. Kasa Flynn, say hello. Hello.
Okay, no hellos from her today.
Kasa.
Okay, here's our destination. We're gonna walk down here. Okay, ready? Hold on. Yeah, that was a hole. Big roots from the ground. Like that. Oh my gosh! Little stick. Okay, now we gotta go. Here, let's run. Oh. Okay, so we can run across. Oh, guys! Probably a hobo around here. Now we're gonna go back this little park. And watch out for trains. We're bad right now. Hey, Kasa. Kasa, trains are coming, so we gotta go. Trains are coming. Come on, Kasa. Watch the train coming, we get hit. Well, we just ran really intensely. And here's Kasa. Becky, put your screen. I don't know how to get out of here. Anyway. Oh my god, I hear it. Oh my god. Thought I saw it. There's the train. I'm hiding.